Today we are going to learn how to do the Cadillac Ranch. I'm going to go through step by step with you, and then we'll do it for a full round all together, okay? So, to begin, we're going to have our feet pretty close together. We're going to have our heels go out, in. Then we're going to get our right side out, in. Now our left side, out, in. Then we're going to go heel, toe, heel, side, toe, side, hand, other hand, cross over, step, clap, cross over, step, clap, back, 2, 3, clap, forward, 2, 3, clap. Now we begin again. Heels out, heels in, heels out, heels in, step out, step in, step out, step in, switch sides, step out, step in, step out, step in, heel, toe, heel, side, toe, side, hand, cross over, step, clap, cross over, step, clap, back, 2, 3, clap, forward, 2, 3, clap. Now we are going to practice this all together with the music.
She sits flooded, gleaming in the sun. There to greet a working man when his day is done. Gonna pack my paw and I'm gonna pack my ham. Gonna take it down to the Cadillac Ranch. Eldorado fins, white walls and skirts. Drive just like a little bit of heaven on earth. So when I die, buddy, throw my body in the back. Take me to the junkyard in my Cadillac. Long and dark, shiny and black. Open it up, them engines let them roar. Tearing up the highway like a big old dinosaur. James Dean in a Mercury 49. Junior Johnson's running in the woods of Carolina. Even Burt Reynolds in a black Trans Am are gonna meet me down at the Cadillac Ranch. Cadillac, long and dark, shiny and black. Open up, them engines let them roar. Tearing up the highway like a big old dinosaur.
Now that we've done the full song with music, it's time for you to practice on your own. I've included the song in the link below. Thanks for coming!